Africa's lack of essential medicines and active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, had implications on the pharma and health sector in Africa over and above the direct effects of COVID-19 pandemic. Since the crisis, a lot of thinking about the demand side has been happening at the country and regional level, and also among investors who want to bridge the gap for pharmaceutical products and essential vaccines in the West African region. Minister of State for Health, Honorable Joseph Ekunwakama, during the International Scientific Workshop jointly organized by the West African Postgraduate College of Pharmacists, WAPCP, and the Nigerian Institute for Pharmaceutical Research and Development, NIPRD, stated that Nigeria's non-production of active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, is intolerable. The minister, who praised the NIPRD DG for his selfless leadership, stated that all the APIs being used in the manufacturing of medicines in Nigeria are imported from India, China, the USA, and Germany. He lamented that such practice is taking a huge toll on Nigeria's scarce foreign exchange and hinted that the importation of APIs will henceforth cease to enable Nigeria leverage on the possibilities that abound for it in the manufacturing of pharmaceutical products.
I wish to, on behalf of the Federal Ministry of Health, congratulate you both and your supporting teams for hosting this laudable event, and to also assure you of the full backing and support of the Nigerian government for the Institute's efforts towards attaining its visions and mandates. I urge you all to commit and actively participate in the discourse in order to arrive at resolutions on the way forward that might metamorphose into a regional strategic plan for the local manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients, and also lead to transforming NIPRD into the hub for pharmaceutical innovation within West Africa and indeed the entire African continent.
The Director General of NIPRD, Dr. Peter Obi Adigwe, and other stakeholders at the event also decried the non-manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, in Nigeria, as they say the manufacturing of APIs would further boost the quality of medicines and healthcare provision to Nigerians and West Africans at large.
API is not the only area where NIPRD has led international innovation. We have also revitalized and re-strategized training for phytomedicinal practitioners by developing the contextual processing protocol, which we have used to train over 1,000 traditional medicine practitioners in close to 15 states of the Federation. And we aim to go to all 36 states of the Federation.
We depend on government to start with, because when you're coming from a developing country, you need all the support you can get, as much as possible, to be able to get the active ingredients from the research table into the pilot plant level and into the production. So that's the major push that is required.
The objective of the strategy with regards to health is to support and strengthen the country's local research, development, innovation capabilities to manufacture active APIs, vaccines, biopharmaceuticals, diagnostics, and medical devices to address the disease burden while ensuring security and sustainable supply of essential therapeutics and prophylactics.
Vaccine is ready to help them and the catching up capability, but they need to look also inwards. We have a lot of researchers out there in the universities, and they are having postgraduate College of Pharmacy. With them, the president is here. There are micro capabilities that can be obtained from these African countries that are in the neighborhood So we encourage them to look at that.
Meanwhile, the Director General of NIPRD took the minister on a tour to see the varieties of innovative medicines synthesized by the institute. One of the products sampled by the DG was eucalyptus oil, disclosing that the variants used in the production of the therapeutic oil was obtained from Kaduna and is good for inhalation therapy and muscle massage. The high point of the opening ceremony of the International Scientific Workshop was the presentation of awards of appreciation to the Honorable Minister of State for Health and other dignitaries. Folorunso Adegoke, Core TV News, Abuja.